I know what it's like. Whether you are a highly skilled therapist with years of experience or not, in the therapy room, you can sometimes feel stuck or overwhelmed about what to do next for your clients. I felt the same way until I discovered a wonderful therapeutic tool, Projective Cards, a method filled with imagination and creativity that promotes very precise and focused results. This was a real game changer for me and brought back my passion and enthusiasm for working with clients. These are the only cards that join together on a continuum, featuring artistic images that mirror the life journey of humans. This is their true value and uniqueness. Besides that, they are not prescriptive or direct, so your clients can use their mind creatively and associatively to make sense of them. Let me show you a sneak peek. From this deck of 67, choose one card that resonates with how you feel today about your relationship with your mother. Now, choose a card that shows the dynamic of your relationship in the past. Select cards that describe what happened from the past till today. Now choose a card that represents how you want your relationship to be in the future. Select cards that show what you will need to help you get there. Hi, I'm Noah, a clinical psychotherapist, psychodramatist and art therapist of 22 years. Long ago, I decided to focus on using the Continuum of Life journey cards as an aid in my therapy room, as I have found they are the most effective, most natural way to deep life-changing insights. They allow clients and therapists to reach a deeper awareness compared to other therapeutic methods. I now have a decade's experience delivering experiential workshops around the world on how to use these cards, and I'd like to invite you to join me at one of my workshops. The content is fully immersive and experiential and allows you to choose your own path. I tailor workshops to participants and focus on specific clinical presentations and themes. The workshops are recognized as 12 hours of professional development and are a great way to expand your professional network and meet new colleagues in a relaxed learning atmosphere. I look forward to meeting you at my workshop.